Hello! Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to write step by step how to add the two trinomial squares displayed on the screen, a and b. As a first step, I need to expand the polynomial a by using the formula for trinomial square, a plus b plus c in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. For our polynomial a, the first term x squared corresponds to the a in the formula. The second term x corresponds to the b in the formula, and the third term 2 corresponds to the c in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula, this equals to x squared to the power of 2 plus x squared plus 2 squared plus 2 times x squared multiplied by x plus 2 times x squared multiplied by 2 plus 2 times x multiplied by 2. When I simplify further, this equals to x to the fourth power plus x squared plus 4 plus 2 times x to the third power plus 4x squared plus 4x. As a next step, I can simplify further and add all like terms. Like terms are the ones that have the same variable with the same exponent. So this will equal to x to the fourth power plus 2 times x to the third power plus 5 times x squared plus 4x plus 4. Next, I need to do the same for polynomial b. I need to expand it by using the formula for trinomial square, a plus b plus c in parentheses squared. In order for me to do that, I need to present or write this trinomial as follows: x squared plus negative 4x in parentheses plus negative 3 in parentheses in the entire expression squared. This way, x squared corresponds to the a in the formula, negative 4x corresponds to the b, and negative 3 corresponds to the c in the formula. And when I apply it, this equals to x squared in parentheses squared plus negative 4x to the power of 2 plus negative 3 squared plus 2 times x squared multiplied by negative 4x plus 2 times x squared multiplied by negative 3, and then lastly plus 2 times negative 4x multiplied by negative 3. When I simplify further, I get x to the fourth power plus 16x squared plus 9 minus 8x to the third power minus 6x squared plus 24x. Again, I can simplify further by adding the like terms 16x squared and 6x squared and rewriting the rest of the terms. So this equals to, or b equals to, x to the fourth power minus 8x cubed 10 times x squared plus 24x plus 9. As the next step, then I just need to add a and b and find what's the resultant polynomial. To do that, I need to add the like terms of a and b, and it's more convenient to do that in a column. So I have, from step 1, I have a equals to x to the 4th power plus 2x to the 3rd plus 5x squared plus 4x plus 4. And from step 2, I have b equals x to the 4th power minus 8x to the 3rd power plus 10x squared plus 24x plus 9. And when I add like terms that have the same variable raised to the same power, I get a plus b equals to 2 times x to the 4th power minus 6x cubed plus 15x squared plus 28x plus 13. This is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.